So here I go. If you're looking for love, then I got that. And if you're looking for a lane, then I'm not that. Your body got a nice beat, I can rock that. And my pen is like a plane, we can hop that. We can fly cause my lyrics like a passport. We can fly cause my lyrics like a passport. We can fly cause my lyrics like a passport. Just like a passport. And I promise you, you gotta go. Passport is necessary, headrest is optional. Death is kin to sedentary, see beyond your optical range. Hop a plane, do what you once thought impossible. And never let them box you in. The trap is just that, so don't never let them lock you in. Or break you down, or tie you up. In a line for their security, they'll have you there for months. And all because you had the nerve to spread your wings and see new things. They could take the material, but never take away your dreams. Swagger is necessity, but only if you bring your own. And promise if you make it out that you'll never forget your home. But baggage, it can weigh you down. It's okay to leave behind. Might not let you on the plane, but it's okay because you can fly. On a bus, on a car, on your feet or with a rhyme. Never stuck just where you are. Grab a pen and free your mind. Thank you.